Hi, I'm Marianne and I'm just sitting here admiring. Finally, after about 10 years, this entire arbor of mine is covered with blooms. Now, I was inspired by Monet's garden in France to make these hoops, and these arbors are made out of really inexpensive hog fencing wire. You kind of buy it at a feed store. It's made for fencing in farm animals. You can bend it to make a hoop like this, and then I'm growing 2 clematises and 1 rose on either side of this wire hoop. Now the rose is really one of my favorites. It's hot pink and it's a fragrant rose. It's called Zephyrine Dwelflin. It's I think from Germany. And then the clematis is the Countess, and the huge blooms of the Nellie Mosier clematis. And the tip here is when you have an area that has got intense flowers. I want all 3 to bloom at the same time. What you want to do is make sure you mulch the soil. And what I found out about clematis, and what was confirmed by a grower, is when your clematis are in full bloom or in bud, don't fertilize. Either fertilize your clematis in early spring, like I do, or wait until this first flush of blooms is over. Then around the 4th of July, I'm going to take my slow-release plant food, like this Osmocote here. I'm going to sprinkle this at the base of the roses and the clematis, and they're going to burst into a second flush of blooms. So my gorgeous display is going to have an ongoing appearance later on in the summer. So hope this helps you keep flowers in your garden. This is Marianne with Easy Answers for Great Gardens.